It's absolutely. I request you to stay on with us. We have some more breaking news coming in, where in a key development, US officials along with members of India's Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau have arrived in Ahmedabad. The team is now en route to the site on June 12th plane crash to begin a thorough inspection. Visuals from the airport show them departing for the crash site as part of the investigation process. Jatin is with us on the broadcast. Jatin, of course, there is a team of officials that's arrived in Ahmedabad right now. They are expected to be going to the crash site. What more can you tell us?
घटना जो जांच ब्यूरो जो टीम है वो और साथ ही साथ जो अमेरिकी अधिकारी है वो अभी जो है फिलहाल जो 12 जून को जो प्लेन जगह पर जो क्रैश हुआ था वहां पर जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो टीम है वो पहुंची है। वैसे AIB तो उसी दिन जो है वो पहुंच गया था, जो जांच ब्यूरो टीम है तो उसी दिन जो है वो पहुंच गई थी, लेकिन फिलहाल जो है वो अमेरिकी अधिकारी और AIB दोनों साथ ये टीम जो है अभी फिलहाल जो घटनास्थल जो है वहां पर ये टीम जो है वो फिलहाल पहुंची। उनके द्वारा जो है वो जांच अभी जो क्रैश साइट है वहां पर ये जो जांच है वो अभी जो है वो चल रही है। थोड़ी देर के वहां पर पूरे दिन ये जांच जो है वो की जाएगी, क्योंकि मलबा जो था वो कल तक हटाने की जो कामगिरी थी वो चल रही थी। अब मलबा सभी जगह से जो है वो हटा दिया गया है। अब इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो टीम है वो अब पूरी तरह से ये जो जांच है इसमें अभी जुटी है कि किसी तरह से भी कोई भी जो सबूत है वो छूट न जाए। उसकी वजह से ये टीम जो है वो लगातार जो है विमान दुर्घटना ब्यूरो जांच ब्यूरो की जो टीम है वो लगातार इस जांच में जो है वो जुटी हुई है। जी।
All right, Jatin, stay on with us. Mr. Vipul Saxena continues to be with us. And sir, I just want to understand from you, of course, the DGC has ordered extended surveillance of Boeing 787 flights. 22 of them have been checked. Nothing suspicious has been, nothing rather problematic has been found so far. But I want to understand from you, how exactly have the Boeing 787 flights been performing over the past years?
See, this Boeing 787, it is also called Dreamliner, and it was named with a particular, intention because this aircraft was made with best of the fuel efficiency, with best of the passenger comfort, and with best of the speed availability and the economy. In the sense, the economy in the sense the cost of per hour flying. And this was a new technology wherein the composite material were used for, majority part of the airframe, especially the hull. So that gave the aircraft empty weight very less, and there are a lot of modification has been done in the fueling system, the backup system. So the whole concept was basically to make this aircraft speed higher at lesser cost, at lesser fuel consumption, and able to carry more passengers and giving very good passenger comfort in terms of leg space and all that. And if you take a survey of the people, they would prefer to fly Dreamliner over any other aircraft. Okay. Now when this was a new technology, now it's somewhere in 2011. So for initial 1.5 year, 2 years, there were certain problems because to induct these aircraft in large numbers, there were certain things which were outsourced to various vendors, though the vendors were approved. But then there are always issues of quality matching and all that.
Right.
So there were certain instances of battery going off, fire in the battery, electric system failing and all that. But then I think Boeing did very well, and within 1.5 year, 2 years, they sorted out all the problems. And since then, this aircraft has been performing exceedingly well. There have been no engine failure cases, no major fatal accidents. So record-wise, this aircraft has been doing very well. And for pilots also, they are very happy flying this aircraft.